Hey guys, welcome back to Java tutorial series. In today's lecture, we will be starting a new topic which is primitive data type conversion. Primitive data type conversion are basically used to convert primitive data types which include integer, long, float and double into the non-primitive data type, basically only string. So to do this, we use some statements which are basically parse statements and value of statements. Parse statements are like integer dot parse int, float dot parse float. These statements you have used in input stream reader class for taking the input from the user. Yes, it is used there also, but this is the another application to convert the string data type into the integer data type. To understand this better, let's write a small program. In this lecture, we will be only studying about integer type conversions. So I have written the basic program which include header files, declare the input stream reader class, and now we will write a main program. For this we will declare an string b is equal to, let's write number 1245 semicolon. As you know, the any data stored in double quotes is string, and it does not have any limit like character, as character can only store one or probably only two characters in the single quote, but for string there is no limit. We can store n number of data in double quotes. Now we will convert this using the statement int c is equal to integer dot parse int, and the variable which has the data stored to be converted, which is b in this case, and a semicolon at the end. Instead of writing b, we could have directly written 1 2 3 1 2 4 5 or any data which we want to convert. It will work in that way also, but I prefer this way because this avoids confusion. Now we will give our output as C. Let's compile this. As you can see, it is no syntax error. Now we will try to run this. As you can see, it has converted the data which was string into the data which is now integer. Moving on to the next function for primitive data type conversion of integer is integer.valueof. Integer.valueof has the same application as that of integer.parseInt. It is used in the similar way the integer.parseInt statement is used. Let's write a suitable program to understand this better. We will write the statement integer a is equal to integer dot value of and in braces the data which we want to convert. We will convert 3 4 5 and a semicolon at the end. Now we will give our output as a. As you can see, there is class compiled and no syntax error. Now we will try to run this. As you can see, the answer is 3 4 5 and the system has converted the data into the integer type and given us the output. Now you might have a question, why are we converting it when we are going to get the same output, whether it be a string or whether it be a integer? Yes, we are getting the same output, but in some cases we might need to do operations with the data stored in that string. For example, if we want to add 345 which is stored in the string data type, like it is stored in the double quotes, with the integer which has been declared or been accepted by the user. So in this case, we convert that string into the data type which we required, in this case which is int, and give the output after doing the operation. This is the reason why I use this types of conversion. That's it for today. If you have any sorts of doubt, you can ask me in comment section below. Thanks for watching the video.